Eréndira House, a sanctuary crafted for a mother and daughter, stands as a testament to the beauty of Mexican culture and the tranquility of natural living. Conceived by Pepe Ramírez, the residence embodies the essence of Michoacán, weaving together natural materials, lush vegetation, and the artistry of local craftsmanship. The women envisioned a home where warmth permeated every corner, where light and shadow danced in a mystical play, and where open gardens offered a connection to the earth through a thriving vegetable patch. More than just a dwelling, they desired a space that celebrated the luxury of spaciousness, the serenity of natural light, and the vibrant life of the surrounding environment. Eréndira House was designed not to dominate its surroundings, but to become an integral part of them, a harmonious blend of architecture and nature. Nestled within a modest neighborhood on a narrow lot, the house unfolds in a series of 3 meticulously planned modules. The ground floor reveals a carefully orchestrated sequence of spaces, the welcoming entrance leading to the master bedroom, a soaring double-height living room that embraces a verdant garden, and a combined kitchen and dining area that opens onto another private garden. Ascending to the upper floor, the layout mirrors the ground level, with 2 bedrooms, a thoughtfully designed study library to house their extensive collection, and a captivating void that overlooks the living room below. The front and rear of the property are thoughtfully landscaped, providing space for parking and access at the front and a tranquil garden retreat at the back. The entire design emphasizes the journey through the house, prioritizing the experience of moving through each space and culminating in the visual delight of the exterior gardens. Inspired by the architectural legacy of Luis Barragan, Eréndira House draws subtle cues from his iconic studio house. Its exterior presents a quiet, unassuming facade that blends seamlessly into the neighborhood, yet the strength of its form and volume speaks volumes. Inside, the interplay of light and shadow, the warmth of natural materials, and the presence of thriving vegetation create an atmosphere of serenity and harmony. Eréndira House is more than just a home. It is a sanctuary, a place where the rhythms of daily life are interwoven with the beauty of nature and the richness of Mexican heritage, a true reflection of the mother and daughter's vision.